Yeah, those winds are picking up. That's why we're in impact mode today because of those strong winds like we talked about earlier. Gusts could be reaching 55 miles per hour. We do have a winter storm warning for the Sangre de Cristos, the Uchusas, including Chama until 8 p.m. tonight. We're going to get those on and off snow showers throughout the day. That'll likely carry through the next couple of afternoons. Also that winter weather advisory, that's less snow, 1 to 4 inches possible over the course of the next 24 hours. The time of this out for you looks like snow and rain showers for western and northern portions of the state, at least through the 6 o'clock hour because of this cold front that is continuing to push that weather in, and right behind are some gusty winds, and that's why we are going to see some strong winds across the state, even cooler temperatures throughout this afternoon, 50s and 60s out there as we head into tonight. A bit quieter, the winds will lighten up a bit, but you can see this afternoon some dangerously strong winds over 50 miles per hour, 70-mile-per-hour winds in some areas. That's why we have that high wind warning in effect for much of eastern New Mexico. 20s and 30s as we head into tonight. You can see any snow that is lingering in the area will be far up towards southern Colorado, possibly try to work its way into New Mexico, but it looks pretty quiet overall. As we head into tomorrow, expect another windy day out there across the state. We're going to be slightly warmer, but still in the 50s for Albuquerque, low 60s, mid 60s for central and southern portions of the state, southeastern portions of the state hitting low 70s. And then by Wednesday afternoon, you see that we do start to get some snow showers for western and northern portions of the state. Now, as far as wind gusts go, they're not going to be as strong for today, but you could see still hitting 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts for southwestern portions of the state, 30s and 40s, exceeding that in a lot of areas. For Thursday, you could see that we do have some lingering snow showers trying to work their way in, increasing cloud coverage by the afternoon. And then for those western higher elevated areas, we start to see some snow showers work their way in. It's going to be cooler out there in the low 50s, low 60s throughout the state, even hitting 40s throughout the northeastern portions of the state. And you can see still some gusty winds, not as strong, but still they're going to be exceeding over 30, possibly 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Models are showing for southwestern portions of our state for Thursday.